Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, BRP Traders. So we're gonna see the where what we have discussed in a commodity analysis. This is the crude oil analysis. I have exactly told you guys what here it will break, then only it will take here resistance and came downside. But you can see here guys exactly what has been happened. You can see here how nicely seller are dominance here. Somewhere here only the red candle is making guys. So what I have done is that somewhere here only I have created my short position. I have kept my SL at this position. You can see here guys our first target reach, second target reach. This area I have told you this will be the selling zone area, act as a resistance. You can see that our target has been reached. We have exited whole quantity. After that once again it has been tested. Once again seller has been dominated. Okay guys. After that once again buyer has been dominance, but at the end seller has been once again dominance and taken it downside. So you can see that how nicely our accuracy is. That I have always told you that this will act as major resistance area. Exactly, first time is somewhere here, second time, this will be the third time also guys. You can see that our accuracy and our thing is that I have discussed you this thing also in a deeply. You can check out that analysis also guys. Okay guys, we can see next natural gas. Also in natural gas not has been what we have expected, like that not has been, it has been behaved. Because I what I have thinking is that somewhere it will came downside and take somewhere support, then we can expect the upside momentum. But here only, somewhere here only I have told you that in telegram channel also told you that if it will crosses 7.5 7.050, then we can go for upside momentum. But that not happen and came downside and become a consolidation phase only. Okay guys, in gold also what we have discussed, let we can see that thing also. You can see here I have exactly told you that if it will broken, then we can expect our first second target. You can see that exactly taken resistance, our first target reach, second target reach. But what happened, it goes upside once again and once again consolidated, once again goes upside somewhere here only. I am also very much curious about it that it will take my SL. Okay, my SL will be triggered. I am not worried about it because I know that if I will take my profit, then I have taken a huge profit. Otherwise it take my small SL, nothing to worry about it, because I have kept my SL at this position only. I have entered at this red candle. You can see that very small SL and how big we have taken our risk to reward. Okay guys, after that only this two red candle has been made, and after that this green candle smallly has been making only. I am exited whole quantity. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95% guys. That's why I will not trade in commodity, especially not trail my SL, because I know that my SL is very small and I can get very huge risk to reward. So why I have to trail? If I wanted to trail also, I will see the price action. If I do not see any price action, why I have to trail and take that price action in the, it doesn't make any sense guys. Okay guys, hope you are getting the all analysis. If you have any queries, please comment me down. I will clarify you. Okay guys, now we're gonna see that the commodity, all crude oil, natural gas and gold analysis, how they gonna work for next week, how you gonna trade them, and how you can make a good money from them. Okay guys, let's begin. So you can see here guys, this is the crude oil analysis. You can I will just shift this. Okay guys, so what, this is the deciding area guys. Okay guys, if this is broken, then only we can go for downside momentum. You can see here guys, if it will came and somewhere take resistance, our first target will be somewhere here, second target, and if this also broken, then you can expect your third and final target. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside momentum. If we want in upside, then it has to cross and take somewhere here support. Our first target will be somewhere here, second target will be here, third target, and this will be the fourth and final target guys. Here because of this will be definitely gonna broken guys, because this is first time tested, second time tested, third time also tested. This time it will cross and came somewhere, then it gonna definitely break and we can achieve at least third target. Okay guys, now we can see for natural gas. Natural gas also you can see here guys. I will just remove it so we can get better idea. Okay, right now you can see here guys, somewhere here only the trend line is coming along. So just like this, you can see here guys, what happened is that if this will consolidate somewhere here only, just a second guys, okay, it will consolidate somewhere here and broken, then you can expect your first target, second target, and even your third target will be somewhere up till here guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. Up till here you have to book your whole quantity, or you can book your partial quantity, and you can go for up till here. Okay guys, I will just shift this so you can get the better idea. It will act as resistance in downside also. What happened, it will consolidate and broken somewhere here, then you can get your first target will be here, second target will be somewhere here, and our third target will be somewhere like this level. Okay guys, this will be the our third target, and our fourth target will be the 5.500. Okay guys, these are the target for natural gas. We can see for gold analysis also. You can see here guys, in gold analysis also, here continuously resistance, one of the major resistance is somewhere here. Okay guys, this is the major resistance area, but right now what I am saying is that somewhere here only it will acting as major resistance area. So this is the area. If just I will zoom it in so I will get the better idea for you guys. Okay, if it will taking support and making price action, then you can go for your first target guys. If this will taking here somewhere support, then our second target will be here, third target, our fourth and final target will be here guys. Okay guys, if it will came and take resistance somewhere here only, then you can expect your first target, second target guys, your initially third and final target. Okay guys, what I am seeing right now is that it is the slightly a bullishness only. If this is broken, then we can expect our downside target, but I am little bit bullish only. If it will goes up till here and then broken, then you can definitely expect your first second target somewhere here. Sellers can came, but if it will continuously consolidate somewhere here only, something like this consolidate, or just a second guys, sorry. So if it will consolidate somewhere here and then broken, then you can expect your third also and even fourth target too guys. Huge momentum also come in the gold. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much.